Hello guys, I'm back. This is teacher Daniot again. I'm back with the second part of the video. Mwen toune pou deuxième partie vidéo a ke nou tap mande a. 20 sentences to start speaking English. Or you can say 20 sentences to speak English. Part 2. C'est 20 phrases pour commencer à apprendre parler anglais. Si on va apprendre parler anglais, par contre, qui côté pour commencer? Eh bien, commencez par apprendre 20 phrases ça yo. M'de bay 10 dans vidéo avant. Si ou pas regarder 10 phrases avant, allez dans la description, on va joindre le link là. Deuxième link que vous joignez pour regarder première partie vidéo. Alors, fin regarder vidéo ça. Let's get started. Première phrase dans la vidéo ça, qui c'est numéro 11 là. Ou ap di que ou désolé ou pas parler en langue, ou capable dire ça en anglais. I'm sorry. I don't speak, and then you put the language.
I'm sorry, I don't speak Canadian.
I'm sorry. I don't speak Spanish. Désolé, je ne parle pas espagnol. I'm sorry. I don't speak Spanish. Désolé, je ne parle pas français. I'm sorry. I don't speak French. Désolé, je ne parle pas créole. I'm sorry. I don't speak Creole. Okay, if you're talking to a foreigner, you can say that. So, pas parler même langue avec étranger. Ou ka di phrase ça. I'm sorry. I don't speak Chinese. Désolé, je ne parle pas chinois. Okay, good. The next sentence is, can you show me around, please? Can you show me around, please?
Let me show you around.
Can you show me around, please? If you travel to another country or to another zone and you want to ask someone to show you some other places, okay, you can say, can you show me around, please? Pouvez-vous me faire visiter les alentours, s'il vous plaît? Est-ce qu'on peut me visiter alentours là? Hein? Ou capable dire mon phrase ça en anglais qui sonne comme can you show me around, please? Pouvez-vous me montrer ou bien me faire visiter les alentours? Okay, can you show me around, please? And next sentence, if you'd like to say, qui côté restaurant qui pi près à là? Qui côté pharmacie qui pi près à là? Hein? Qui côté magasin qui pi près à? Where can I find the nearest shop? Où se trouve le magasin le plus proche? You say,
where's the nearest casino?
Where can I find the nearest shop, for example? Où se trouve le magasin le plus proche? Where can I find the nearest shop? Côté magasin qui pi près à là? On se dit mon nom. Côté magasin qui pi près à là? Where can I find the nearest shop? Côté m'ka joindre l'hôpital qui pi près à là? Where can I find the nearest hospital? Where can I find the nearest plus what you'd like to say? Ou dire where can I find plus ça t'as remen dit en anglais. That's great. Now, number 14. If you'd like to say, quel restaurant vous me recommandez dans les alentours? You say in English, which restaurant do you recommend in this area? Qui restaurant que vous recommandez qui dans quartier là?
Can you recommend the West one?
Which restaurant do you recommend in this area? Qui restaurant que vous dit qui dans quartier là qui pi bon là? Which restaurant do you recommend in this area? Good. Let's go now to number 15. Number 15 is when talking about transportation. You can say, at what time is the bus? At what time is the train? At what time is the plane too?
What time's your bus?
At what time is the bus? At what time is the train? Or at what time is the plane too? À quelle heure est le bus pour Port-au-Prince? À quelle heure est le train pour Jacmel? Un exemple. À quelle heure tel bus pour aller tel côté? À qui le bus pour Gonaïve là après aller? OK, ou dit ça en anglais. At what time is the bus to Gonaïve? At what time is the bus to Jacmel? At what time is the train to Paris? À quelle heure est le train pour Paris, par exemple? À qui le train qui pour aller Paris à déraper? Ou dit, at what time is the train to Paris? You see? At what time is the plane to New York? Okay, at what time is the plane to New York? À quelle heure est l'avion pour New York? À qui l'avion pour New York l'a décollé? You say, at what time is the plane to New York? So you can use this when talking about transportation. Lors parler de transport, ou capable d'utiliser phrase ça. That's great. Number 16. If you'd like to say, pourriez-vous nous prendre en photo? Bien, pourriez-vous me prendre en photo? You can say that in English. Can you take a photo of me? Or can you take a photo of us?
Could you take a photo of us?
Est-ce qu'on peut faire une photo pour moi? Could you take a photo of me? Est-ce qu'on peut faire une photo pour nous? Could you take a photo of us? OK? Pourriez-vous me prendre en photo ou bien pourriez-vous nous prendre en photo? Could you take a photo of me? Or could you take a photo of us? You can say that. Could you take a photo of us? Please, could you take a photo of us? Hein? Est-ce qu'on peut prendre une photo pour nous si ça peut déranger ou? Could you take a photo of us or could you take a photo of me? Good. Number 17 is, where can I get the best view? Where can I get the best view? Where can I get the best view?
Sure, it's the best view.
Où puis-je obtenir la meilleure vue? You say that, where can I get the best view? Où puis-je avoir la meilleure vue? Or où puis-je obtenir la meilleure vue? Where can I get the best view? Where can I get the best view? Qui kote m ka gen pi belle vue là? Oh, gade l'autre bord. Oh, damn it. Oh, where can I get the best view? You can say that. Okay? And number 18, if you're not okay, you can say, I feel sick. I feel sick. Je suis malade. I feel sick. Where is the nearest pharmacy or hospital?
Hospital, where's the nearest hospital?
Où se trouve l'hôpital le plus proche? Where is the nearest hospital? I feel sick. Where is the nearest hospital? Malade, qui kote l'hôpital qui pi près a y là? I feel sick. Where is the nearest hospital? I feel sick. Where is the nearest pharmacy? Ah, malade, qui kote pharmacie qui pi près a y là? Good. And before the last, number 19, where can I find an ATM? Where can I find an ATM? Where can I find an ATM?
Where can I find
An ATM.
Où puis-je trouver un ATM? Un distributeur automatique. Où puis-je trouver un ATM? Where can I find an ATM? Where can I find an ATM? Où puis-je trouver un ATM? So, ap mande ki kote ko ka jwen yon ATM la. Where can I find an ATM? Good. If you're talking, for example, on the phone, you don't know who, and you can say, who am I speaking with?
Who am I speaking with?
À qui je parle? À qui je parle? Who am I speaking with? À qui est-ce que je parle là? Si on parle dans le téléphone à un monde, ou pas qu'on a qui est exactement parler, ou dit à qui est-ce que je parle là? À qui je parle? Ou dit ça en anglais. Who am I speaking with? Who am I speaking with? Let's say that. Who am I speaking with? Who am I speaking with? That's great. Now, repeat after me because you've been learning 10 more sentences to complete the 20 sentences you have to know to speak English. Ou fek fin apren 10 phrases encore kap fait 20 phrases ko dwe konnen lor fek ap debute dans anglais. Let's go. Repeat after me. I'm sorry, I don't speak Kreyòl. Say that. Good. I'm sorry, I don't speak English. Say that. English. Good. Can you show me around, please? Let's go with me. Can you show me around, please? That's great. Where can I find the nearest shop? Repeat after me. That's great. Where can I find the nearest shop? Where can I find the nearest hospital? Where can I find the nearest restaurant? Which restaurant do you recommend in this area? Which restaurant do you recommend in this area? Repeat after me. That's great. Which restaurant do you recommend in this area? Good. At what time is the bus to Jacmel? Repeat after me. At what time is the bus to Jacmel? At what time is the train to Paris? At what time is the train to Paris? Repeat after me. At what time is the train to Paris? That's great. Now, at what time is the plane to New York? At what time is the plane to New York? Repeat after me. Good. At what time is the plane to New York? Sounds good. Could you take a photo of me? Could you take a photo of us? Repeat after me. That's great. Could you take a photo of me? Could you take a photo of us? Good. Number 17. Where can I get the best view? Where can I get the best view? Repeat after me. Where can I get the best view? That's great. I feel sick. Where is the nearest pharmacy? Where is the nearest hospital? Repeat after me. I feel sick. Where is the nearest pharmacy? Where is the nearest hospital? That's great. And before the last, where can I find an ATM? Where can I find an ATM? Repeat after me. That's great. Where can I find an ATM? Good. And the last, who am I speaking with? Who, not who. Who am I speaking with? Repeat after me. That's great. Who am I speaking with? Alright guys, thank you for learning with me. Merci parce que nous prenons le soin pour nous apprendre avec. Partagez vidéo ça. Like, click. If you enjoy learning English with me, si vous aimez apprendre anglais avec moi, quittez un commentaire pour faire me connaître qui ça apprendre et si vous aimez apprendre avec moi. Et puis, allez dans la description, deuxième lien que je vous donne, première vidéo, vous pouvez regarder première partie. Ça c'est deuxième partie, on pourrait commencer dans 11. Vous avez 10 phrases avant yo, même je vais apprendre 10 phrases qui fait 20. My name is Daniot. Thank you for watching.